Do you wake up exhausted, even after a full 7 or 8 hours of sleep? You're not imagining it. Millions of people around the world experience this exact same problem. And today, science may have a simple answer hiding right in your kitchen. This video is about two of the most studied natural foods on the planet, raw garlic and unrefined Jaggery. When used together in the right way at the right time, emerging research suggests they may support your body's natural detoxification pathways, reduce low-grade systemic inflammation, and help restore your baseline energy levels. Stay with us. What you learn in the next 7 minutes could genuinely change how you feel every single morning. What is really happening inside your body? Your body is not a passive vessel. It is a highly active biological system operating around the clock. While you sleep, your liver filters metabolic byproducts, your lymphatic system clears cellular waste, and your cardiovascular system maintains circulation to every tissue. But here is the problem: the modern lifestyle, processed foods, sedentary behavior, chronic stress, and sleep disruption creates a condition scientists call chronic low-grade systemic inflammation. Unlike acute inflammation, which you can see and feel like a swollen ankle, chronic low-grade inflammation is silent. It does not announce itself with pain. Instead, it quietly impairs your mitochondrial function, reduces oxygen efficiency in your red blood cells, places ongoing oxidative stress on your liver and arterial walls, and dysregulates your cortisol rhythm, which is why you often wake up tired even after sleeping well. Your body looks fine from the outside, but internally, it is running at diminished capacity. This is what science increasingly recognizes as a root driver of fatigue, brain fog, and sluggish digestion.
The two natural foods. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Two common foods, one from allium vegetables, one from sugarcane processing, have been studied for their potential to address exactly these mechanisms. First, raw garlic. Garlic, Allium sativum, contains a precursor compound called Allicin. When you crush or finely chop a garlic clove and expose it to air for approximately 10 minutes, an enzyme called allinase converts Allicin into Allicin, the primary bioactive compound responsible for garlic's therapeutic properties. Published studies in journals including the Journal of Nutrition and Phytomedicine document Allicin's ability to inhibit pro-inflammatory cytokines, reduce LDL oxidation, support endothelial function in blood vessels, and demonstrate broad-spectrum antimicrobial activity. Second, Jaggery. Unlike refined white sugar, which is stripped of its nutritional content, unrefined Jaggery, made by concentrating raw sugarcane juice, retains iron, magnesium, potassium, zinc, and B vitamins. Iron supports hemoglobin synthesis and oxygen transport. Magnesium plays a role in over 300 enzymatic reactions, including those involved in energy metabolism. Potassium supports electrolyte balance and heart muscle function. Together, these micronutrients provide the body with the cofactors it needs to carry out its natural repair and detoxification cycles. The synergistic science. Now, why do these two foods work even better together? Researchers studying phytochemical bioavailability have found that the sulfur compounds in garlic, particularly allicin and its derivatives, are more effectively absorbed in the presence of natural sugars and mineral cofactors. Jaggery's iron content enhances the bioactivity of allicin's sulfur pathway,
while its magnesium supports the liver's phase 2 detoxification enzymes, the very enzymes responsible for neutralizing and eliminating metabolic waste product. The net result of this combination, according to functional medicine literature, may include improved microcirculation due to allicin's vasodilatory effects on nitric oxide production, enhanced hepatic glutathione synthesis, your liver's master antioxidant, improved gut motility supported by Jaggery's prebiotic fiber fraction, and normalized cortisol awakening response, which is directly tied to how rested you feel upon waking. Importantly, this is not a medication. These are foods. The effects are cumulative and gradual, but if used consistently and correctly, they address inflammation at a foundational level. How to use it, the correct protocol. For best results, follow this protocol precisely. The sequence and timing matter.
445, 500. Step 1. Take 1 to 2 fresh garlic cloves. Crush them or chop them finely. Set them aside uncovered in open air for exactly 10 minutes. This resting period is non-negotiable. It is the window during which oleanase fully converts olein to allicin. Heating or rushing this step deactivates the enzyme and eliminates the primary benefit. 500, 515. Step 2. Measure 15 to 20 grams of unrefined Jaggery, approximately 1 small cube or 1 heaping teaspoon. Step 3. Combine the rested garlic with the Jaggery and work them together into a soft paste using a spoon or mortar. Step 4. Consume this paste first thing in the morning on a completely empty stomach, then follow with a full glass of room temperature water. Do not consume dairy, citrus, or hot beverages for at least 15 minutes afterwards, as these can interfere with allicin absorption and reduce bioavailability. What changes to expect? If you follow this protocol consistently, correctly prepared,
Many people report noticing initial changes within 7 to 10 days. These may include easier, deeper breathing as bronchial inflammation decreases, improved stamina during physical activity, reduced morning fatigue and grogginess, lighter, more comfortable digestion, and less abdominal bloating after meals. Over 4 to 6 weeks, longer-term shifts may become apparent. Clearer skin tone as hepatic detoxification improves, deeper, more restorative sleep architecture, better cognitive focus in the morning hours, and a more stable, even mood throughout the day. These are not miracle claims. They are the cumulative result of reducing systemic inflammation and supporting your body's own biological systems with the micronutrients they require, medical precautions and contraindications. Before we close, some critical precautions. If you have a known garlic allergy, gastroesophageal reflux disease, active peptic ulcer disease, or are currently taking blood-thinning medications such as warfarin or clopidogrel, please consult your physician before beginning this protocol. Garlic has clinically documented antiplatelet properties. Individuals who are pregnant or breastfeeding should also seek medical guidance first. Do not consume this paste in the evening. Your digestive system is not primed for detoxification after a full day of eating. And remember, this video is educational in nature and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Your body has an extraordinary capacity for self-repair. It simply needs the right nutritional environment to carry out that work. If this science resonated with you, share this video with someone who wakes up exhausted every morning. They deserve to know this. For more evidence-based natural wellness content rooted in science, subscribe to NatureWise Essentials and hit the notification bell